Hello everyone, this is Catherine and welcome sa Kabukiran. Okay, look at that pine trees behind me. As you can see, there. Okay, nandito kami ngayon sa bukid. Estamos en el campo, the countryside. So, welcome back to our Spanish lesson. Soy Catherine y juntos vamos a aprender. Juntos means together. Aprender is learn. Okay, so today we are going to talk about los meses del año en español. In English, months of the year. In Tagalog, buwan ng taon. Okay, and please watch the previous lessons, days of the week in Spanish, and I also put the English and Tagalog translation, and also how to introduce yourself in Spanish. Que aire más bonito, fresh air. Okay, thank you so much for watching. And okay, so as normal, we have here the set: Spanish, English, Tagalog. Okay, so let's start. As you can see, we have similarities. Spanish and Tagalog. Okay. Enero. In English, January. Again, January. In Tagalog, enero is the same. Same spelling and same pronunciation. Enero. Next, febrero. Febrero means February. Again, in English, February. And in Tagalog, Pebrero. As you can see, the only difference is the letter F, la F in Castellano, and la P, letter P. Next, Marzo, Marzo, March in English, March, Marzo in Tagalog. So as you can see, the only difference is la seta, and letter S, Marzo. Abril, April. Again in English, April. Abril. Same in Spanish and in Tagalog. Mayo, Mayo. May. Again in English, May. Mayo in Tagalog. Junio, Junio. June. Again in English, June. Junio. So as you can see the difference from letter J, la J, to letter H, la H, and then letter I, la I, and letter Y, Y in Spanish. And then Julio, again, Julio, July in English, July, Julio. So, same with Junio and Julio, the difference is la J, letter J, and la H, letter H. Next, Agosto, August in English, August in English. In Tagalog, agosto, la misma, the same in Tagalog and Spanish. Septiembre, again, septiembre, September in English, September, septiembre. So the difference here is we don't have the P, la P in Castellano, and la I tenemos in Tagalog o in Filipino con la Y griega. We have the letter Y in Tagalog. Octubre, Octubre, October, Octubre. So, the only difference is the letter C, la C in Castellano, and la K in Tagalog, letter K. Same pronunciation. Noviembre. Again. Noviembre. November. November. Noviembre. And then the last one, the last month of the year, diciembre. Again, diciembre. December in English. December. Diciembre. Diciembre. So, as you can see, the only difference is the letter C, la C in Castellano, in la S in Tagalog, Y. Okay, so that is the months of the year in Spanish, English, and Tagalog. And you know what? Here in Spain, they really have a lot of feast. I mean, Spanish feast, fiesta. Tawag nila niyan sa fiesta, no? Same in Tagalog also we call it fiesta. And then here also they celebrated the names of the saint. For example, every day may ano po, may pangalan ng santa. Tapos sinicelebrate din nila yun. Like Santa Catalina, Santa Barbara, San Joseph, or etc. San Jose. San Joseph is Valenciano. Okay, so also same in the Philippines, Enero, January, we have the Three Kings. They called it El Dia de los Reyes Magos. And normal, they give gifts. So pero it's like tradition. Sa atin kasi normally Christmas tayo nag-o-open ng gifts, 'di ba? Dito yung Three Kings, yan yung pinaka parang highlight sa mga bata kasi nagbibigay talaga sila ng gift, parang obligation na magbigay ng gift po. Febrero, San Valentin, Valentine rather, Day, ang araw ng pag-ibig. And also, February and March, normally, here in Spain, they celebrate a carnival party, like carnaval, tawag nila dyan. Carnaval in the school and in the academy. And it's like a 1 week celebration in the school. And then they are going to wear different costume. It depends what's the theme. So I have pictures, but I cannot post it because I am with the students. So I'm so sorry. I want also to share it with you, but it's impossible. And then Holy Week, normally that's Abril, but sometimes end of March, or it depends, no, the calendar from the church. So, Semana Santa también, they also celebrate that. And so on. There's a lot to mention if I'm going to, maybe in the other day. And March here, they celebrated the Father's Day, March 19, because that's the saint of Saint Joseph. Sa atin kasi sa Pilipinas, di ba, sineselebrate natin ang Father's Day ng June. Dito ang June ay San Juan sa kanila. 21st, no, San Juan. And then Navidad, Christmas, etc. No? August normally here in Valencia community, we celebrate the Moro e Cristiano. Is muy bonito también. I mean, napakaganda po yung celebration. Ang dami actually ditong celebration sa Spain. Next time, mag-ano na lang po ako, magko-collage siguro para ma-share ko sa inyo. Ayan, so those are the months rather of Spanish, English, and Tagalog. Oh, lakas ng hangin. Okay, las estaciones del año, the 4 seasons of the year. So I did not put the uh, Tagalog translation because we really don't have 4 seasons in the Philippines. We are tropical, and we have the same weather, no? Tag-init o tag-ulan, yun lang naman. But I put the translation with the seasons, but the 4 seasons we really don't have in the Philippines. Okay, primavera means spring. In Tagalog, tagsibol. So, during primavera, I really loved the season because wherever you see wildflowers, ang gaganda po talaga sobra. Ay, alam mo yon, yung wildflowers na kung saan-saan tumutubo, ang gaganda po kasi napaka ano niya. Sa wildflowers ako na-impressed. Okay? So, I will put photos by the way so that you can see the wildflowers. And then, verano. Verano is summer. Summer. Tag-init sa atin. Okay? So, now, August is summertime here in Spain. And then, otoño means autumn or fall. Yan, paglagas in Tagalog. So, this one also, it amazed me, the brown and yellow. And then, December, you can see the trees. November, starting November actually, and then December, first week of December, you can see the leaves falling down. So, and the trees, kalbo, as in wala talagang kadahon-dahon, parang patay sila. Pero, normal lang yun, mabubuhay din sila during primavera. And then, invierno, ito yung pinakaayoko. Invierno is winter. Ayan. And then sa atin, normally, pag malamig, tag-ulan lang naman malamig sa atin. Naalala ko dati, yung bagong dating ako dito. Di ba sa Philippines, kapag umuulan, 25 lang nagja-jacket pa tayo. Dito, pag 25, nako, summer na ang mga tao. So, so for today, that's only for our topic. And I hope that you will you learned something today. And then our next topic is La Familia. I'm going to talk about La Familia. So please do not forget to like and subscribe. Then click the notification bell so that you will be notified if ever I have new videos. And please, if you do like my videos, please share it with your family and friends so that we have more people in our channel. Thank you very much. Hanggang sa muli. Hasta la próxima. Paalam. Adios.